Hey everybody, today we'll be starting a new series on React Native, and in this series we're going to be creating a login application where you can sign in with Google or Facebook, and we're going to be using or building it using React Native and Redux. So what we'll be using in this course is of course React Native, Redux, and Expo. So these are a prerequisite for this tutorial series, and if you don't know, then they're not going to be covered in this series in depth. So I'm expecting you to know, have an understanding of these three. If not, you can just follow along. Um, and what else you'll be needing is an Android or iOS device or a simulator. And for the editor in this series, I'll be using VS Code. So if you don't know how, this is how you create a new project in React Native. So first you have to install React Native, and then you can run the create React Native app command. And there's an example right here. If you want to build it in your current directory, you just use the create React Native command and then you use the current directory. Um, so let's get out of this, and I'm gonna show you guys a demo of what we're building. It's fairly simple. So it's gonna have a button that says login with Google, and it's gonna redirect you to a Google login. Oops, that's my alarm. Um, and I already logged in with a test account. Don't worry about this. Um, and you see it displays the first and last name of the account. This account just tests an account, and you can log back out. So the remaining of the tutorial, we'll be building the project structure and the packages that we need. So this is the command I ran, and I already executed the command because it takes a little bit of time to build a project out. So you see this is what's in my directory currently. So I'm going to open up in VS Code, and let me pull it over here. And you'll see that it already built out the node modules and everything else we need to start our project. So the first thing we'll be doing is just creating the project structure. So we'll need a source folder, and within the source folder we're going to have an actions folder. I can spell today. Alright. Not within there, just in the source we want a reducers, and also want a store, and not within there. Then we want screens, and one more folder. We're going to have a utils folder. Okay, and I'm not making this project structure too complex. I just want to get the basics. And so for the packages we'll be using, we're going to be using a couple packages. So we're going to do npm install dash dash save, and we want to install React Native Elements. That's the button you guys saw. We want React Redux. We want Redux Thunk. And is that it? I believe that's it. Yep. So that's what we want to install for this project. Um, so that's about it for this tutorial. I'm gonna skip the package installation because that's the last thing we're gonna be doing. So this is the basic project layout and the packages we'll be installing. So I'll see you guys next time. We'll be starting the code.